How to add a drawing outline transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Create a new adjustment layer with default settings and drag it into the second track in timeline. Select the adjustment layer and press Ctrl+R and set duration to 30 frames. Put the adjustment layer exactly in the middle of 2 clips, hold down the Alt key, and press the right or left arrows to move it only 1 frame at a time. In the Effects panel, search for Find Edges. Drag the Find Edges effect into the adjustment layer. Now select the adjustment layer and in the Effects control panel move the playhead to the start. Set Blend with Original to 100 and click on Diamond button next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the center of the adjustment layer and set Blend to 0. Move the playhead to the end and set Blend to 100 to create the last keyframe. Now we have this transition between clips. In the Effects panel, search for Dissolve and drag Film Dissolve into between your clips. Select the Film Dissolve transition, set alignment to center at cut, and set duration to 10 frames. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.